white checker will be bringing back to the stripe. Delaware double file restart. That puts the leader out front by himself. The 84 of Stephen McAllen scored as your race leader. Second spot belongs to the 93 of Chase Brunsheet. He'll have choice whether he starts from the inside or the outside of that first double file row. The 86 of Chad Bender will take the opposite. Looks like Chase is going to take the inside of that first double file row. It'll be green, white, checkered. 2 laps to conclude our qualifying race here.
Hello.
I'm sending videos because my buddy races. I'll show you his car.
Right. I'm on my YouTube channel. That's
with a little bit of a twist. We'll talk about that.
Oh, he's racing now?
No, he's in Massachusetts.
Oh.
Scores your race leader. Caution lights are out. Nice and easy, lemon squeezy. And we're going to go. Hey, give the old rope-a-dope off the turn 4, rolling way down deep and then let it loose. McAllen busting out. Chase Brunsheet working the inside of Chad Bender. Here comes Justin Becker now. You got 3 cars lined up. 2, 3, and 4 off the speedway. Brunsheet looking the inside of Bender one more time. Off the turn number 2 and down the nice straight.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Looking down to the 3 and 4. Last corner, last chance. Checkers waving your heat ready winner. Coming over the number 5 position, the 9 of Scott Bush. 4th will go to the 1 of Justin Becker. 3rd spot to the 86 of Chad Bender. 2nd to the 93 of Chase Brunsheet. And your heat race winner comes to us from Elgin, Iowa. How about it for Stephen McAllen? American Iron Racing Series 2.
What's up, Mr. Patrick? Taking a video.
One thing to add to these little cars out here right now, Jason and I were going to do a race in these. We got voted down. One reason was we couldn't fit in one, and the other ones that we did, it wasn't enough power to get us around the track and complete a couple laps. No, I don't think so. I'm not small by any means. But I have seen some large folks pile into these cars. I give it a shot. I get stuck in anything. I would too. I'd love to give it a shot just once. Again, yeah, coming out on the track here, Harris Cars race for tonight. Starting off your first heat race out of Clarence, Iowa. On the pole will be Brian Gate. Gotti. Sorry about that. Jason's got to give me these names, ahead of time. To his outside, the number 42 car, Bruce Yorger. Second row inside will be the 16th car of Robin Atkins of Clarence, Iowa. Third outside being number 63 car, Steve Olson out of Preston, Iowa. Row 3 on the inside from Monmouth, Iowa, Owen Hayes. To his outside, Richard Nelson from Cascade, Iowa. Row 4 on the inside will be Ron Cook from Clinton, Iowa. In the 17 car, his outside will be the number 34 car, Alan Hansen of Manchester, Iowa. And in the 5th row, all by herself, from Graff, Iowa, the big town of Graff, Iowa, the number 28 car, Kirsten Welter.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they done there. What's up, Chris?
Get your Harris cars rolling out on the track here. Top 5 will redraw 6 laps, the distance. Next time around, going green.
Oh.
Number 42 car, Shorter, jumping out front. Ryan Gotti hanging right with him, coming out of corner. 3-4, side by side.
Oh,
Coming up the middle as well. Coming through 2 laps now. Richard Nelson coming up on the inside, going to take the lead. Coming on 1-2, short time. Coming on the front. 16 now in third place. Going to be Robin Atkins. Coming out of corner 40, 4 laps down, 2 to go. Now up in third, Steve Olson from Western Iowa, making his way up front. Getting a challenger on the 16 car, Robin Atkins. Coming out of corner 4. Taking a white flag. Number 80 car, Olson. Getting followed there by the 42 car. Shorter. Three-way battle there for third. Coming out of corner 4. Richard Nelson, Cascade, your top 5. Over your 17 car, Ron Cook. Number 16, Robin Atkins. Number 17 car, Ron Cook. Number 42, Shorter. And winning E-Race number 1, your number 80. And that's going to be Richard Nelson from Cascade, Iowa. E-Race number 2 rolling out on the racetrack. On your pole will be Dan Thompson from Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Outside him will be number 23 car,